Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're going to do even and odd symmetry. And then so we're going to basically work with equations and then just definitions here and not actually look at graphs at this point. Now for even symmetry, that's where f of x is equal to f of negative x, which means the original function is the same as plugging a negative x into every x, and you get the same thing. So that would be an even symmetry. Odd symmetries, when you take that negative x and plug it all in, it's the same thing as if you will distribute a negative through, which means f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. Okay, so let's see how this looks in practice. Really, you need three things. You really need the original, you need f of negative x, and then you have negative f of x. So you need all three. Sometimes you can get away with two if it's even, but you need to have all three if you're checking for odd or neither. Okay, so here what I do first is I grab my equation. Just grab this equation from off the screen real quick, and we have x squared plus 4. Okay, so now x squared plus 4, we need f of negative x. So f of negative x, let's see what that looks like. I plug in a negative x for the x, and then I solve. So negative x squared, well, this negative gets squared off. This is really just x squared plus 4. So this is the same right here. These are the same. You see that? This is f of x is equal to f of negative x. That is the definition for even. This is even. Okay? Now let's grab another equation. Let's say we have something that doesn't work right off the bat. Let's say we have an f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x. Okay, well let's do f of negative x. F of negative x is equal to, well, I have negative x, and that's cubed, and I have a minus 5, and then a negative x goes in for x, and then we have to solve this. Well, negative x cubed, well, that's negative x cubed. That's because we have 3 negatives now, not just 2. They don't cancel out. 1 remains. So negative 5 and negative x, we have plus 5x. Okay, so this is not the original. Not the original. Now I check for negative f of x, which now looks like this. I'm going to cover up my definitions real quick to keep working forward. And now that is going to be negative, and then it's the function. You distribute it into the function. So this is going to be equal to negative x cubed as you distribute it in, and then negative, that's plus 5x. So now you can see that these two are common, and this one's f of negative x, and this is equal to negative f of x, which is the definition for odd. So this right here is odd. Okay? So that's basically the 1, the 2, and the 3 in the 3-part test. Okay? Now, if there's any other problem, sometimes they just don't work out, and it's a shame. For instance, if we had, let's say we had f of x equal to x cubed plus 1. Well, if I do f of negative x, well, the negative still comes out of that cube, negative x cubed, and it's plus 1. That's not like f of x. But if I take f of x and apply a negative to the whole function, that'd be negative x cubed plus 1. I'd have that negative x cubed, and I'd have a negative 1. That is not like that either. So you check here, and then you take this and check it here. If neither of those checks, then the answer is neither. It's neither. It is neither odd nor even. It's neither. And that's how you do my little 3-part check. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Thank you.